Hi guys, I will be comparing two gels, this gel versus this gel. So keep on watching. Alrighty, so I look a bit crazy because I washed my hair yesterday and I had my hair in this microfiber towel as you're seeing here, and I'm taking it off for you, and I will leave the link to the microfiber towel in the description box down below so that you can go and check it out after this video. So like I said, I'll be comparing two products, and I haven't done a wash and go in a while, so I'm kind of excited to see which products are gonna work well for my freshly trimmed hair. And I will take it a step further by not waiting a few days until my hair decides to fully air dry. Low porosity problems, but I will be using a diffuser. So this side will be the Cantu and this side will be the Dr. Miracles. So you may have seen this gel on my channel, but if you are new, this is your first time watching me, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button if you are interested in seeing more natural hair content from me. And let's get into the styling. Alrighty, so as you're seeing here, I have my hair clipped away with some claw clips, and I am starting on the back as usual. But if you are seeing this video for the first time, this is what I would normally do, especially for a wash and go. And I, like I said, washed my hair yesterday, so I am just prepping my hair as you're seeing. So I'm just going to take this section and divide it into two so that it's easier to apply the product. And you see the two sections right here, and then I am clipping it away as you're also seeing. And since my hair does not have a leave-in conditioner, I will be mixing a leave-in conditioner on camera to see if it actually works. So let's get into that really quickly. All right, so I have put them in mini sections because I put the leave-in conditioner in my hair. So I will put in the claw clips now. And here we are back again with the back section and the smaller section that I said I would have used. So like I said, over here is the Cantu, and I haven't put in any gel yet. This is just purely leave-in conditioner. So I am going to take the gel, and this is its consistency, its look, and its consistency. Very gel-like, you know, typical gel. So not too heavy. Well, from what I have used before, it isn't too heavy, and it is not that light to the point where your curls would just revert as if there were no products whatsoever. So I'm just going to use this amount and just start by coating the hair as you're seeing. And I'm going to use a little bit of water because I want slip. So I'm just gonna help the product move a little bit throughout my hair by adding the water. So far it's clumping, as you're able to see, and I will just go back and use a second set, and I think this should be the last, because my hair is pretty coated. So this is what the hair is looking like so far, and I'm impressed with the clumpage, but we will see how it looks when it is dry. So I will continue this section over here, and I will be back when this whole side is completed. Alrighty, so I am back and I'm loving the results of this side. I hadn't really remembered how my hair was in a wash and go state because I haven't done a wash and go in over 3 months. So I am loving it so far. No flakes still. It is still pretty decent, but we will see when I finish diffusing. So I will do this side with this gel right here, and here is the consistency of it. Not much left in there, so I think it should cover this side of my hair. So here is the consistency. It's pretty light, and honestly I actually like this gel, so we will see which gel wins when I am finished doing this side of my hair, and I will be back when this side is finished and I will let you know what happens. Alrighty, so I am back and these are the results so far. These are the wet results of the Cantu. The white I think will go away when I dry it, because you know we did the flake test on camera and it did not look clumpy or anything, so hopefully it goes away. And this is the Dr. Miracles, and now what I'm gonna do is really diffuse my hair. So I am going to end up doing that, and I will be back with the dried results to tell you which side won. So stay tuned for that. Alrighty, so the results are back, and it took me a total of 40 minutes to get my hair 90 to 95% dry, because there is still a bit of wetness at my end, like over here, but the majority of my hair is fully dry, including my scalp. I would recommend diffusing to anyone, so I will show you the sides before I get into the review. So here is the Dr. Miracle side, and here is the Cantu side. Now let's get into the review. As you may have known on my channel, or if you're just coming across this first video of mine, I do the product comparisons based on the moisture, based on the definition, and based on the hold. Now I'll start with the moisture. Both sides seem to be very hydrated so far. I will update you at the end to see if it's still the same, because this video isn't gonna come out the same day that it is recorded, so I will have time to tell you what my final thoughts are. But so far the sides are very hydrated and they feel very soft. Cantu lived up to its name when it said it's a flexible hold, because as you can see, there is literally no stiffness so far. There's literally none. And for the Dr. Miracles, I can say that before I did use the Dr. Miracles with hair paint wax, and that did give it a firm hold, but with this, without any hair paint or anything, I can say that it is a very flexible hold as well, and the definition is definitely there and the hold is definitely there, along with the moisture. You don't feel any crunch whatsoever, and my hair does not feel dry. So for both sides, I would give an 8 out of 10 for moisture. So let's get into the hold. Honestly speaking, I prefer the Dr. Miracles because when I was finished diffusing and I had gone to look at myself in the mirror, I noticed that there is less frizz over here than over on this side. You can kind of see that there is a bit of frizz on my ends, whereas over here not so much. And I will show the back now. So from what I could have seen in the mirror, I can definitely say that this side definitely looks a lot more defined, and this side isn't bad at definition, but it isn't as defined as this side. So I would give this side a 9 for definition, and I would give this side an 8. Both high ratings because they did very well overall. For the hold, it would definitely have to be in the same bracket because definition and the hold go together. So for the hold, I would also have to give Dr. Miracles a 9 so far, and I would have to give Cantu an 8. Overall, these are very great products, and I loved comparing both of them. I loved using both of them. I didn't have that much of a sticky residue on my fingers, and if that is something that you're looking for in a gel, then these two are perfect. More so the Dr. Miracles because its formula is very light, whereas the Cantu has a bit more of a film. But overall, they're great products, and I didn't have a problem using them in the past, and I most definitely don't have a problem with this wash and go. And yes, this is the end of this video. If you liked it, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who's interested in trying a gel but they have no idea which gel to try. Hopefully this video helps them, and I will see you in my next one. Alrighty, so this is Editing Amanda, and I just came on here to really show the definition. This is the Dr. Miracles still intact, and this is the Cantu. You can see the frizz around here, and to be honest, I still like my results. And yes, I just came on here to show you this clip, and yes, this is the end of this video. Like I said, psych! Child, my hair flaked, and honestly I was so disappointed because the mixing test that I did with both gels, it turned out fine on my hand. So I don't know what happened. It's probably because I used the gel excessively to define the curls, but this is a sign to you: do not use gels excessively. Use water to help define your curls. So I am dealing with this flakicity, and honestly I had to wash out my hair because it was just too much. This is the end of the 2-week period that I usually have my hair for. But yes, this is the end of this video, and I will see you next time.